And welcome to On Track training of the mobile app, part 7, check inventory. So from time to time your company might want you to verify the amount of items you have in your location. And so the way you do that is we're going to click on the check inventory tab. And so the next thing we have to do is let the system know what location we're physically doing the inventory check. In this case, we're going to check Prasad Warehouse. Now, if you've started an inventory before, you'll get this page, and at the top it'll say continue progress. So if you want to restart, just delete, and it'll reset the inventory, and then you can start it. So at the very top, you're going to notice 3 tabs. The question mark basically gives you a list of all the items that's in your location that you've accepted over a period of time and you now need to verify. The center tab is items that you've scanned during the inventory that don't belong to you. And the check mark is items that you've confirmed, you've scanned, you should have them, and you've verified that information. So there's a few ways to confirm and do an inventory. For things like commodities and consumables where there are no barcode tags on it, basically you click on the commodity, in this case scaffolding, and you need to verify the amount you have on site. So if you have 5 pieces of this item, you click on it, and it'll now, if you go to the top right, they'll now have 1 item in the checkmark column. For consumables, same thing. Verify the amount you have, click done, right? So for assets, you can do one of 2 things. You can scroll and verify them. Once you're verified by the scan code, you can click on it, and if you notice, it goes up into the check mark that you have it. So that's the first way to do it. The second way is to click on the barcode and scan the item. So it's going to scan it, and then if you want to do another scan, you click on the barcode and you scan again. Click on the barcode, until you're done. So once you've done your inventory, right, you can also click on each tab. And for instance, if you've scanned something that you didn't want to, you can always click on it. It'll move it back into the check mark column. You can also search for items if you've got a large inventory list. So once you're satisfied that you have everything that you could find, you click on the arrow, and so here's what it's going to tell you. It's going to give you a summary. It gives you the date, what percentage you've completed, how many assets you've found, and how many are unidentified. So unidentified means that they're assets that you have on site that that doesn't belong to you. So if, for instance, this inventory isn't complete, for some reason you've got to leave, when you go back into check inventory, go to your location, it'll have this saved for you. And again, if you want to continue with it, you can go back in, continue your inventory, and then once you're complete, hit the check mark, and then again, hit it. And if you'll notice, an inventory report will be mailed to you. And this is now where you can verify all the items you found, what you didn't find, and then kind of go and cross-reference on your site or your location. And that concludes the check inventory